Of course, it was founded 80 years ago, founded in 1936. The founder was Mr. Coleman. He had a lot of friends in the city. He's a fellow that would go around trying to be influential and know the right people. My dad was working for a piping contractor on Washington Boulevard. The fellow was going out of business. And Dad was walking to work, and the guy had a sign in the window that said, "We need an engineer." That was Mr. Coleman's put the sign there. My dad was a really good engineer that everybody would run to with their hard problems there. He's very thorough, deep thinker. My dad was teaching. Mr. Coleman told him, "You'd better start thinking of another option for your life, because we're down to my last $1,000 that I borrowed from my mother." So they really hit bottom, but they got through it. The thing that propelled the company is the small refrigeration, the service. They were selling these boxes to butchers and delicatessens. Freon was a major change in the industry.
Mr. Coleman was fortunate to have a bunch of friends. They made sure they took care of us, and one of them helped develop Freon. It was our bounce. It was our ability to go ahead and jump forward and leverage not only the engineering of it, but the sales of that to go ahead and give us a steady flow of income, allow us to do what we needed to do.
We were the first place that I knew of that used CAD systems.
We've always believed in being first to something to give us the best opportunity to be successful, and that really means being competitive in our marketplace. We've always taken pride in solving our customers' problems. They end up being more of the mechanical nature. Along the way, we've been able to add and diversify what we can provide to our customers.
We started with pipe fitters that did steam pipe and refrigeration work. In order to be a well-respected HVAC contractor, my grandfather believed we needed to add sheet metal. This occurred in 1946. The goal of being a full-service mechanical contractor was achieved once the plumbing and service groups were added.
One of the areas that my father brought us into was the building engineers.
With Hill Mechanical Operations, which is now being operated by Able. Recently, we've added test and balance, fire protection, energy solutions, and an Indiana office with precision controls.
Our people should realize that the company takes on the characteristics of the leaders. And that's not bad. That's good that things change, that we would be open and accepting a change. The fellow who succeeded me, Bob Creer, was a civil engineer with building construction. As a result of that, we got really good at managing construction and estimating construction.
We are a family business, and we take pride in being a family business. We feel blessed to have had over 10,000 people work at Hill at this point. I'm third generation. There are other people here that are third generation at Hill, which is truly amazing to think how many people we've been able to touch. And Mr. Coleman and my grandfather and my father and Bob Creer helped create better lives over time. I hope to leverage the best of what they've provided to date, take that roadmap and go ahead and move forward with it. The stamp I want to make sure I make on our business moving forward is going to all be based on safety, quality, and integrity.
I'm proud of what the company has done, and I'm proud that we were able to attract such wonderful people that we have.
I can't imagine what my grandfather, Mr. Coleman, would say now if they could look and see where we've been now that we're 80.